Toffee Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
Introducing the Breville Barista Express. It's the first machine of its kind to deliver beans to espresso in under a minute, giving you an authentic cafe quality result. The trick to achieving luscious crema is with freshly ground beans. Ideally, you want to extract your espresso within 2 minutes of grinding the beans, and this is made even easier with the onboard conical burr grinder and dosing system, which are both integrated into the design. And because it doesn't use a blade grinder, there's minimal heat transferred to the beans, so they retain their flavour, which means a better all-round tasting espresso. Offering both programmable or manual settings, it's perfect for the beginner or the aspiring barista. Now, I'd recommend for beginner the dual wall filters. It's got a single layer of holes on the inside and then one exit hole on the outside, which increases the back pressure inside the brew head and takes all the guesswork out of grinding and tamping. But if you've already mastered the art of espresso, we've included the single wall filters, which will deliver a better all-round tasting espresso. Now, if you use the single wall filter, you have to pay more attention to the tamping pressure and the grind size. So if you're just starting out, you're better off using the dual wall filters and following the preset settings on the unit itself. Even the tamper has an element of innovative design. Because it's deliberately attached to the unit at a clever spot with a magnet, it gives you the option to tamp your grind without having to remove it. Now, the correct tamp pressure is one of the most important components for best results. Because it's magnetic, it also gives you the option to remove it and tamp it on the counter with more control, like a true barista. Remember to clean your filters after each extraction so it doesn't get blocked. And we've made this easier with the dry puck feature. There's a valve inside the unit that actually rids the puck of any excess water. So the used grinds come out completely dry, similar to a brownie, and it pops out for a much quicker cleanup. The Barista Express, another great innovation by Breville.